So the hard part now comes, how do you take it from it works great in a demo that you just saw to it works great for thousands of users in production, every single call that you don't want failures for, right? So that's a hard challenge I think all of us are going to go into. And here's why it's a hard problem. So voice agents are both LLM driven and they're multi-turn, and LLM-driven apps are non-deterministic. So it's really hard to predict what happens several turns down the road. And even a mishap early in the conversation can actually manifest itself 5 turns later. And this is really tricky to resolve. Also, when you're shipping it to the real world, real users, they can mumble, there's background noise like in this conference room today. And they're not really the exact behavior you're testing, right? It's hard to simulate all of the different paths that matches the chaos of the real world. So in traditional software, though, we use tools like DataDog or OpenTelemetry for logs and traces. This is how we debug and troubleshoot a real software system. But that doesn't really answer the question that we have in terms of when you're talking about a voice agent, right? So things that you care about are what did the user actually say? What kind of prompts went into the model for exactly that conversation? Even things like when a conversation does break, where did it break and why did it break? None of the existing tools are really built for that. So today I'd like to launch a new product that we have. The team's been working super hard on this and we're quite excited about it. It's native observability for LiveKit. So it's launching beta today and it's free until the rest of the year.
So I'm going to walk you through the new UI. Under sessions, if we navigate over there, let's see if we can find that call Nasheed just did. So in the sessions list, if you open up a session, you'll still see your session analytics. This is all your room data. It's still here for you to review. But we also have this new tab called Agent Insights. So if I switch over to here, we now have a synchronized playback of the audio along with transcript, traces, and logs all paired with it that you can dive into. So from the top here, you'll notice this audio bar. We can play back the audio.
Hello, welcome to Live. Hi there. How can I assist you with stock prices today?
Hi, what is the price of Apple?
So you could play back the call in real time and hear what the user was saying. You'll also notice that the transcript is synced to the timeline, so you can find and pinpoint when these things are happening. We also surface these inline notifications, so you can check out the tool call that was just fired. You can dig into the details of it. You can look at the transcript confidence, the latency for the assistant on the turns, and see all the different attributes for it there as well. Next, we can navigate to traces. And here you can see all of the spans that were performed through that session. We can open up a user turn, see when they were speaking, see when end of turn detection was fired. You can also open up the agent turns and look at the LLM nodes. So you can kind of see the overlap of things and the timing and what items you need to improve and iterate on. And then finally, if we switch over to the logs view, you can see all the logs that came down from that agent across the media room as well. You can filter through them. We can get rid of debug information here. We can see what this warning was, all in real time, all synced with this audio. And so to enable this for your agent, you'll head over into the settings. Under projects, you'll see this new agent observability tab. You'll switch this into enabled. And then from there, you'll run the agent SDK 1.3. And you can also control this at the agent level to surface your new agent insights. And so that is agent observability.